Hello viewers, this is Sujata, Associate Professor, Government College for Women, Kolar. This slideshow is related to Chemistry Paper 5 Organic for 5th SEM BSc students belonging to Bengaluru North University, and this is session 16. The title of the topic is Heterocyclic Compounds. The learning objectives include how to prepare pyridine from acetylene and nicotinic acid, how pyridine reacts with sodamide, and comparison of basicities of pyrrole, pyridine and piperidine. Learning outcomes. After understanding this presentation, students will be able to know the methods of preparation of pyridine, differentiation between electrophilic and nucleophilic substitution reactions, and ability to understand basicity and basis for the comparison of basicities. Prerequisites to understand this session include differences between electrophiles and nucleophiles. In the previous session we have seen electrophilic substitution reaction of pyrrole, thiophene, etc. Electrophiles are electron deficient species and show affinity towards electron rich centers. Example: H plus, NO2 plus, Cl plus, etc. Whereas nucleophiles are the counterparts of these electrophiles. These are electron rich species and show affinity towards the electron deficient centers such as Cl minus, Br minus, OH minus, and so on. Second prerequisite is, in order to understand the basicity of bases, or the capacity of a substance to be a base is understood in terms of its pKb values. pKb is nothing but negative logarithm of Kb, whereas Kb is the dissociation constant of bases. This pKb value is a measure of basicity. Lower the pKb value, higher is the basicity of a base. Now let us have a look into the methods of preparation of pyridine. First, from acetylene. Acetylene and hydrogen cyanide gases, when passed through a red hot tube, give rise to pyridine. Second, from nicotinic acid one can prepare pyridine. Nicotinic acid can be heated in presence of limestone or in presence of copper sulfate solution, where nicotinic acid forms this salt, and this upon heating undergoes decarboxylation to form pyridine. Coming to the properties of pyridine, very important is reaction with sodamide. In this reaction, pyridine reacts with sodamide in liquid ammonia at 100 degrees centigrade, sorry for the error, to form 2-aminopyridine. One can notice here this is a nucleophilic substitution reaction. In previous case, in case of pyrrole, furan, etc., electrophiles attack at C2 position, while in pyridine the nucleophilic substitution reaction predominates at the second position. This also undergo electrophilic substitution reaction, but electrophile attacks at the C3 position. Now, this reaction of pyridine with sodamide to form 2-aminopyridine is an example for nucleophilic substitution reaction, and it is also called as Chichi-Babin reaction. Now coming to the basicity of pyrrole, pyridine and piperidine. Pyrrole is a 5-membered heterocyclic compound. When it reacts with dilute acid, it forms pyrrolinium ion, and this is less stable because the nitrogen uses its lone pair of electron for protonation. When this uses its lone pair of electron, there is a rupturing of pi molecular orbital, hence the aromaticity ceases. So therefore, pyrrole is a weak base compared to pyridine and piperidine. Its pKb value is 14. While pyridine is strong base compared to pyrrole because you can see here when it reacts with dilute HCl, it forms pyridinium ion, which is more stable compared to pyrrolinium ion because the nitrogen uses its lone pair of electrons for protonation. Thereby, there is no change in the aromatic behavior. Therefore, it is a strong base, and this is further strengthened on its pKb value, which is lesser compared to pyrrole. Piperidine is another heterocyclic compound, and this molecule, in case of pyrrole and pyridine, the ring atoms are sp2 hybridized and planar, whereas in case of piperidine, the ring atoms are sp3 hybridized. It is a non-planar structure and there is no delocalization of electrons. So therefore, this nitrogen can easily use this lone pair of electrons for protonation and easily form a very stable piperidinium ion. Therefore, this is the stronger base compared to pyrrole and pyridine. In this table, you can compare the Kb and pKb values of pyrrole, pyridine and piperidine. Kb value for pyrrole is 2.5 into 10 to the power minus 14. That of pyridine is 2.3 into 10 to the power minus 9, and piperidine with 2 into 10 to the power minus 3 as Kb value, and pKb values are 14, 9 and 3 respectively. So as we discussed earlier, lower the pKb values, higher is the basicity and the substance is more basic in nature. Therefore, the order of basicity is pyrrole is less basic than pyridine and piperidine. This is the increasing order of basicity, or in other words, piperidine is most basic compared to pyridine and pyrrole. Now, so in this session, we understood the methods of preparation of pyridine from acetylene and nicotinic acid. We have also seen the reaction of pyridine with sodamide to give 2-aminopyridine, which is called as Chichi-Babin reaction, and we also looked into the basicities of pyrrole, pyridine and piperidine and comparison of basicities among these three, and we understood that piperidine is most basic than pyridine and pyrrole as its pKb value is less compared to the prior two. So, coming to the multiple choice questions. Number 1, pyridine is obtained by passing acetylene and dash through red heart tube? The answer is hydrogen cyanide. Second question, Chichibabin reaction is an example for nucleophilic substitution reaction. Third question, among this, choose the correct order of basicity. The correct order of basicity is piperidine is most basic compared to pyridine and pyrrole. The fourth question, the type of hybridization seen in pyridine and pyrrole is sp2. Last question, piperidine is more basic than pyridine and pyrrole because it is aromatic, it is not aromatic, of no delocalization of electrons, of delocalization of electrons. So the right answer is of no delocalization of electrons. Thank you.